build another build today. I have the Corsair Carbide 17.5 RGB as in R and then RGB, sorry, Carbide series case with tempered glass. We're going to be building this for one of my customers. We're about to rock it out. This guy, this is really his first computer other than his family one. He's out on his own now. He wants to play some League of Legends. So he kind of a little bit overboard, but he can do some gaming after and everything. We have some extra case fans for Corsair Silent 120 AF fans, flow. We have a Tough Series Asus motherboard, X570 Plus with Wi-Fi, so he doesn't, the Wi-Fi built in, Bluetooth built in. We have the Hyper 212 Evo Black Edition. I wanted to go all tough, but I couldn't find the cooler anymore, the tough cooler that they make, because I was like, oh, let's just do everything tough, make it cool. But they didn't have it, and they had a tough case too, and I was like, oh, we should get that, but then it was like, it's not going to work out, so let's get this one. Ryzen 7 we have. This is the 3700X processor form. RGB lights, DS, just some magnetic lights, not too expensive, just $15, just getting them started. He wanted some cool lights. Mainframe custom cables, awesome cables. Just sleeve, this is his first time he wants to see before he gets all of his cables done. This isn't in a fully modular power supply, but he wanted to dab into it just to see what it was like to get some nice custom quality cables, and it's gonna be a red theme kind of a little bit, but he says if he likes it enough he might consider going all custom and crazy cool lighting and all that, so we'll see how that goes. 16 gigs Corsair Vengeance. We have 970 Evo 500 gig. These are 3,200 megahertz. These were on sale. A good price for his budget. 2060 Super. That's more than enough for League of Legends. We have a 750 watt EVGA 80 plus bronze power supply, semi-modular. And then we have a graphite thermal pad for a CPU because he works a lot of the time and he works nights and everything, and I just want him not have to worry about doing it. He's not care about overclocking, he doesn't care about performance, he just wants it to work good for a long time, not have to worry about it. So just dusting, make it easy for him so he doesn't have to worry about it. My other friends, no problems. These, I know for extreme overclocking and stuff, I wouldn't use these for overclocking, but if you're just a person that just, hey, I don't want to overclock, I just want stock speeds, but I have a good cooler, I just want to game non-stop, not worry about having to put in thermal paste, you're fine with these. These will rack. My friend plays more games than you can imagine. He has over 500 games just on Steam. That's without Origin, Uplay, GOG, huge Battle.net. I mean, he has them all, and he's already beaten, I would say, out of all his 800 games, maybe he has 100 left he hasn't beaten yet, and he's had this thermal pad, no problems whatsoever. And I just upgraded to his new build with his 12 core, and his thermal pad, I took it off, is still perfect. No problems whatsoever. Put on his new build. He's been gaming for a week. Red Dead Redemption 2, everything, no problems. So we're gonna hook it up with this. Now, if you're doing water, like high-end water blocks, use thermal paste. I mean, you can use these. I'm not gonna say you can't, but I mean, you put the water block on there for a reason. You want cooler temps, so might as well use thermal paste. Plus, if you can do it yourself, you might as well, put thermal paste on. You're gonna have to clean it anyways every year, anyways. So clean out your loops and everything. So might as well. But this is for somebody that just normal user that doesn't know computers that well, to take everything apart and everything, to take the cooler off, put new thermal paste, it makes it easy, to be honest with you. Especially if it's a customer that like, hey, down the line I don't want to do maintenance, but I want to give them a good build, they don't have to worry about it, this will last normal user, gamer, long. It'll last them forever, the build, the quality of the parts, as long as all the parts are good. 2 terabyte and a 1 terabyte. 2 terabyte for gaming, 1 terabyte for all of his important files. The SSD will just be handling his operating system and everything. So these are both server data center grade drives. This one is a Western Digital Gold, and because they still have the gold ones left, they switched it back to HGST, Ultrastar drives. This is an Ultrastar one. Western Digital owns Ultrastar now, but this is an Ultrastar, this is WD Gold. Both freaking awesome drives. Love these drives. But we're gonna start a build. I'm trying to do this fast. When I do some product reviews, I'll get into more talking, but people want a game. I want to get going. He already told me, he goes, hey Miles, I want to be able to play this weekend. I have the build parts yesterday. I have 2 days, so I'm gonna do all the building tonight, and then I'll do the installation tomorrow, and then he'll have it by Friday. So then he'll be able to take it home and game on the weekend and have fun. So he's gonna come pick it up. You know, we're all in quarantine right now, so he's just gonna come pick it up and rock and roll. All right, guys. This is where the montage starts in 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3. There you go. 3. finished. It's late at night. I got work in the morning, but it's all working. I might be saying, oh, why didn't he put cable ties? Combs on it. He didn't want combs. He just wanted to try it out first, see what the color would look like. I think he's gonna like it. All in all, it was a great build. I just went slow because I wanted it to be perfect. Didn't want any problems because tomorrow I have to install everything, so I just want it to be perfect. Just want it to be done, but so far, I mean, it's nice and clean. It looks awesome. This fan, I'm going to adjust it when I install the Aces. I give you lighting effects. So we'll get that going. I appreciate it, guys. If you guys want me to do commentary when I'm talking to this, let me know. But yeah, it's tired. I'm tired. It looks great. And the remote with $15 fan. These things are awesome on Amazon. I can put a link in the description. It is awesome. These things work really good. All different colors. But yeah, I like it. And it really works good. So, have a good day. Have a good night, I should say, for me where I am. It's nighttime. So you guys, hope you guys have a rock and rollin' day tomorrow, or have a rock and rollin' day now wherever you are. Peace out, and see you next time.